Hello, welcome to chapter 12, part 2, Bootstrap Responsive Utility Classes, brought to you by Ankpro Technologies. My name is Harish. In this session, we are going to learn the Bootstrap Responsive Utility Classes. And let us recall, in the previous session, we learned some of the Bootstrap Responsive Utility Classes. They are visible hidden, visible small, visible medium, and visible large. Similarly for hidden also. And we have left with other two Bootstrap Responsive Utility classes. They are also called print classes. What do you mean by that? In the sense, we can hide or show certain elements for printing purpose using the below Bootstrap Responsive Utility classes. In the sense, in a web page, we want to show content, some content, only when it is in the print mode, in the sense when we are printing it. Okay, and how to do that? And that can be done using these print classes. To understand that very clearly, let me jump to Visual Studio, and let me show a demo of it. Okay, this is an empty web project. I'm having a Bootstrap enabled. So here you can observe this, the Bootstrap enabled. This is a Bootstrap enabled web page. Now let me show you a demo of this print classes and their usage. Okay, what is the advantage of Bootstrap responsibility classes? Just to hide or show the content based on different devices. Now what we are going to learn is, we are going to learn the print classes, which will be helpful to hide the content and or to visible the content only when it is in the print mode. In the sense, now what I'll do is I'll add a div, and to that I'll add another div, and to this let me add a class called row, and to the outermost div we should add a class called container. Okay, now to this let me take another div and let me add a class called call x12. Okay, let me copy and paste this div, and let me write some content here telling like Ankpro training, and let me add some content here telling like within a Q tag. I want quotation, so I'm having a Q tag. Let me write like innovation is our mantra. Okay, now let me run this page or push this page to the browser. Let us see how it is going to render. Okay, it's going to provide me Ankpro training as well as innovation is our mantra within the double quotes. Now this is what it's going to render. You can observe here. But my intention is I want, okay, innovation is mantra, this sentence to be visible only when it is in the print mode. Okay, how to do that? And that can be done using these classes. So what I'll do is I'll come back to my code, and here I'll specify this should be visible hidden print. Okay, and this content should be visible only on visible print. Since the print mode, this content should be visible. Now let me go back and let me refresh. Let me press F5. You can observe that innovation mantra is gone. But when it will be enabled, or when it will come back, it will come back only when this page, if you want to take a print of it. In a sense, when I right click on this and if I click print here, okay, at the time you can see that content, that is innovation is mantra, present in that web page for printing purpose. It's loading. Now when I zoom this page, you can observe innovation is mantra is present here. But we also saw something like that. Let me close this and let me run this page. Okay, we also saw that Ankpro training is not visible right now because it will be visible only in the web page, and innovation is mantra, that will be visible only on the web page of print mode. Right now it's not visible. Innovation is mantra. When I again click print, the print is present here. That is, the innovation mantra is present here. You can observe here. Okay, this is what the advantage of using these Bootstrap utility responsibility classes. They are the print classes, visible print and hidden print. Hidden print, what it does, it will be this: if you add a hidden print class to the div having a content, and that content will be visible on the browser. And if you add a class to the div having a content, and if you add a class called visible print, and that content will be visible only when you are taking a print of that page or in the print mode. Okay, I hope you understood this. Thank you for listening. Have a great day. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel Ankpro Training. You can also like our page visiting these URLs, and you can also follow us on Twitter, and we are also on LinkedIn. And for further reference, you can visit the website. And last but not the least, please don't forget to give the feedback. Thank you.